We've got the world's oldest rainforest, Daintree, 180 million year old ecosystem. And then we've got one of the most diverse mangrove ecosystems in the world, the Daintree Basin, and then the Great Barrier Reef. So between the world's biggest reef system, blue carbon galore, and unknown potential within this ancient rainforest, it's going to be so exciting what we can find out. And bringing people on that journey who have no idea about soil, yes, or water, or fertilizer, or pesticides, or herbicides. So technology allows us to automate, it allows us to streamline, and fundamentally with a smart system to be able to shift and play with variables. So in our case, it's doing something that would take a week in 3 hours. Classic analog ways of doing things over here, especially with farming, there's multi-generations worth of knowledge over here. NTT and ClimateForce have committed to a 3-year partnership to make the first ever smart management system over a rainforest. Classically, it's been used within industry, the likes of energy, manufacturing, aviation, but not for biodiversity. So what we're doing, replanting the world's oldest rainforest, listening, using bioacoustics, scoping out the soil, understanding the water, how the insects, the mammals, everything returns to this property as we're turning it from a fallow agricultural land back into a thriving rainforest. We can create a blueprint that can be relevant to different properties, but we need to be creating blueprints that are valid to soil, ecology, water, topography, and eventually cultural and economic prerequisites in different places around the world. So our tech stack has lots of different layers to it. So you're creating that 3D map. On top of that, we're geotagging all of our trees as we plant them, having health assessments for each tree. So each tree that we're planting. And so that's the core currency of how does that unit get to a canopy closure as quickly as we can possibly make it. Because when it gets to canopy, it means that it blots out the weeds, which is a success in reforestation, regeneration. Some of the other technologies that we're using, bioacoustics, listening to nature, using neural networks to basically determine, is that a chainsaw, is that a plane, or no, that's an insect or a frog or a mammal. And that's just effectively classical research, but technology allows us to just do it a lot quicker and a lot more effectively. What NTT is fundamentally, the partnership journey that we're on, is right now we have all of these data points in their own silos, and we need to bring it under the umbrella, but we're not NTT, we're a startup charity who's only been operating since 2019. So it's like we're doing our best, but I think that if we get it right with this smart management system, we can not just feed in data from our property, but then learn from others as well. Right. So the sky truly is the limit. So exciting what we can do with NTT and really create a model within that can help support land diversification throughout the world.